Hi.
Hi.
That's funny. I don't do that though.
Just do it. There you go. I've been wanting to start this project where I bring this camera with me everywhere, just documenting all the things that I'm doing in my life and all the places I'm going, all the people that I'm seeing, anything that really stands out to me. Just stacking clips and pictures so one day I'll have something to look back on, something to show my children, my grandchildren, and something to just kind of reminisce on, when I'm older. I realized that in order to do those things, I need to be more comfortable speaking into a camera, being in front of a camera, recording, not caring what people think when I'm recording. And that's something that's hard for me to do. And so, yeah, this is the first attempt. Babe, we gotta be vloggers now.
Really?
Yeah, we do.
Gotta get used to being on camera.
I know, that's what I was saying. I was talking to the camera yesterday.
What were you saying?
I said I gotta get used to this.
It's weird. At first.
Because you feel narcissistic.
Yeah.
But it's easier when there's someone else.
Because you're kind of talking to me.
Going both of them in, right?
No, what we're doing is we just saute the vegetables, and then we throw them into the mix, and then we throw the broth in.
Hi.
Hello.
Did you get my mashed potatoes? I have to mix them. Let's see. I'm thinking. Oh, what the heck? Baby. Oh, what the heck?
For a kiss.
No, it's
Don't do this, bro.
Oh my god.
Well. No, I don't.
No, yeah, you do, bro. Yes, you do, bro. You know, in the beginning of movies, it's like something like this, and it's like, and suddenly aliens come down. Cloverfield, yes. Oh my god.
Okay, Kate, Kelly, and I just wanted to say a quick cheers to you all because we love all of you. And thank you for being here. This is our biggest Friendsgiving yet because all of these friendships and relationships have been for so long. And so this just shows like how awesome you all are. And we love you all. And we're so grateful you're all here. And so I don't have a drink, but which is crazy. We're grateful for you. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Let's just not mess around with that.
That was close, right?
This guy lighting the place on fire, bro. Oh my goodness.
We're going.
We're going.
Where we're going to?
We're going to San Francisco first. And then we're going to Sacramento to see Nana and Pop for Thanksgiving.
Oh, we're going to San Francisco for the night.
Yes, because Chris has to go to a basketball game. Thunder versus the Warriors.
Who's gonna win?
Thunder.
By how much?
I think it's gonna be a close game.
Close game.
Like
Thunder
they're just,
wins.
yeah, like they're just gonna win. Scarlett, are you ready to go on a road trip? Five hours to go.
She's looking for her mama. Hello, beautiful.
Hi. Yeah.
Scarlett, go say hi.
I was gonna say, like, he's learning.
It's a new camera though.
Hello.
Where are we going?
Nana and Pop.
Nana and Pop. They're so excited to see us.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Say Happy Thanksgiving. Looks delicious. Yes. We have turkey and stuffing. Or sweet potato
Start over there.
casserole, and mashed potatoes gravy. Yeah. But nobody ate the drumsticks.
Hey, he almost made it through. He is really unlucky. this tree is like 90% air.
Hey, it was a good swing.
That was a good swing.